Hi friends, good evening to you all. I hope you all are safe and fine. First of all, I would like to thank you all for watching, liking, subscribing and sharing my video. And I hope that I would be getting the same response from you all in future also. In my previous video, I did talk about my channel, Anupam Tech Solution. What exactly the channel is all about. In regards to that video, I have received some emails along with the computer issues from some of my beloved viewers. So I am here with the solution of those issues. Now I am going to show you those issues with the solution on the computer so that you can see the practical work in order to understand the matter perfectly. Please watch the full video. The issue is unable to install K7 antivirus on the computer. The computer is giving a pop-up notification while installing this K7 antivirus on the computer. The pop-up notification says, please look at the pop-up window on the computer screen. It says the setup would now continue to uninstall Quickhill Internet Security. Select yes to continue with uninstallation. It means that the system is telling us to remove the existing antivirus, that is Quickhill, from the computer first, then only we will be able to install another antivirus on that computer. But the point is that Quickhill antivirus has already been removed from that computer itself. So here, why this pop-up notification is appearing on the screen while installing it on that computer? The Quickhill may have been removed from the control panel, but it could not be removed from the registry. That's why the system is not allowing us to install any other antivirus on that computer at that moment. So, what would be the resolution for this? We have two ways to delete these installed files from the registry completely. The first way is we can download and install Revo Uninstaller Pro in order to delete these Quickhill installed files from the registry completely. How will you do that? I'm going to show you. Go to the Google Chrome browser. Then you type www.google.com. Then hit enter. Then you type Revo Uninstaller Pro. The first one you can choose FileHippo. Then open the first link. You can see the download option on the right hand side. Click on it. You can see that window is asking you to install Opera Mini browser on your computer. If you want to install it, then you can go ahead with this installation. Otherwise, you can click this below link. No thanks, continue to download Revo Uninstaller Pro. Click on it. The system is taking time. Yeah, the software has started downloading, which is there on the bottom left hand corner. What you will do, you will double click on it. It is about to appear on the screen. Wait for a moment. Yeah, you can see this window. It says you need to click on OK in order to proceed further. You will click on OK. Then you will select I accept the agreement. Then click next. And then you will have to follow the steps in order to install this software on your computer. I'm not going to install that software on this system at the moment because it is already been installed. So I'm going to cancel it. After you install that software on your computer, you will be able to remove any software from your computer completely. Completely means the entire files of that software will be removed from the computer and registry as well. All right. Now I'm going to show you the next way. The second way. The second way is what you'll have to do. Look at the keyboard. You need to press Windows key and R. Press these two keys together at the same time. The run box will appear on the bottom left hand corner. What you will do, you will delete the entire thing, whatever is written in that box, and you need to make that box empty. Then you need to write REGEDIT. Then click on OK. You can see this window. And on the left hand side, you can see 5 options. Out of 5 options, you need to go to the third option, which says HK local machines. Double click on it, then go to software, then select the software file, folder, which you want to remove, delete completely. So you need to give a right click on that folder and then click on delete. The entire file will be deleted from your computer completely. Thereafter, you'd be able to install the next antivirus on your computer. I hope you have understood the steps and you'd be able to do it on your own. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day ahead. Take care.